Oh.
Bonnie, Clyde.
Cruiser.
Bonnie.
Bonnie. Cruiser. Good boy. You stay here.
Bonnie.
Cruiser. He's just following Bonnie. Cruiser.
Good boy, Clyde. Come on.
Come.
Cruiser, come on.
Come on.
Cruiser.
Come. Good boy. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Come on, Bonnie.
Come on, Bonnie.
Come on.
Run, Bonnie, run.
Shoot him.
Shake and bake.
Shake and bake, baby.
Lost kneecaps, dogs.
Oh,
I
yeah.
don't know. It's hard to tell.
Well, yeah. Let's see.
I don't want too close to the house because if the ambers start
Right.
flying,
And you'd want the garden closer to the water. To
be
not fall
nearby.
Yeah,
I'm almost thinking like into here.
For your fire pit?
Yeah, but it's kind of like in a random middle.
Well, it won't be random when it's finished. You don't want to like put it somewhere. Plus, we were also talking that we still want to be able to use the basket and croquet. That kind of stuff. Yeah.
Maybe here even.
Because you're pretty equidistant from trees.
Yeah, I don't want to.